This is Kiran Kumar, CSC Lab Programmer. Today I am discussing on how to execute applet programming in Linux operating system. So, and what are the common mistakes in applet programming execution? So, the first of all, I am going to go to the source code. This is my source code is an applet code. So, first of all, to please find out the what is the difference between the applet programming and normal Java programming. So, applet programming is a browser-based programming, and it is also a desktop application. So, but before standalone Java programming is contains a main method. So, it does not contain the main method. So, please observe the difference. So, without the main method, or how to execute. So, without main method, your JVM does not execute. But how it is executed? The first of all, you go to the this code also. It is a class code. It is a basic general class code, but with the different packages. That are the AWT or applet packages. But here, writing the some of the code is there, but it is a browser code. So this browser code, either writing in our the first before class statement or end of the programming, and you can save it in as separate file also. But here in this particular Java programming, what happens? So here I am writing the same code, applet code in the last lines. What happened? It is correct or not? The first of all, check it by the using the compilation process. The compilation process is the same for all Java programs. So that was the reason I am utilizing the Java C compiler. So I am taking one terminal. So Control Alt T. So Java C space lifetime. Sorry, L is a capital letter. Live test.java. So I am entering. So here applet code is a different code to the Java code. So it is a different code, but here you are writing wrong in the end of the lines. But here it is a valid code, but within the comment lines. So without comment lines, you don't write it. So it is a common mistake in the Java applet programming running. So slash dot slash star the multi-line comment. So start slash. So I can save it. Once again, I am compile it. So it is successfully completed, successfully executed. Sorry, it is compiled, successfully compiled. But how it is run? So it is there. There is a no Java main method. So first of all, I am giving to the Java space live test. You can give it. So the main method is not found in the class live text. Without main method, your JVM cannot execute your Java program. That is another common error for the applet execution. So how it is executed? So the first of all, it is executed by the applet viewer. So applet viewer. Sorry. Applet viewer. Space. Here the applet viewer you can take either .java file or .html file only. So that was the reason I am the applet code writing into .java file. You are not interested to write in .java file, you can save it as a separate file with the .html extension. So I am writing in the code in .java file. So without .java I cannot execute. So no such file or directory. It is one of the common error. With the extension, you can take it. So applet viewer, you can do it. So this is the applet. This is the applet. Is the graphical user interface. So you can run it. So then you can use reload. Stop, start something, initialize some clone. These are not working, but you are not writing any functionalities in here. So that way it is not useful. Restart again. So waiting for that, but you cannot restart function is not there. So This is the applet programming for the common errors in that particular Java applets. So the Java applet viewer is some of the lowest versions are available up to 1.8, I think. So Java applet viewers are up to 1.8 is available. Greater than 1.8 version cannot available in Java applets. So please choose your versions also is depends upon the execution of your applet viewer. So please find out. Thank you.